It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Donnie, Hannah, and Sola. So, what are their thoughts on the show and have they watched the show?
I don't know if they... Oh, yeah. They have watched the show and they continue to want to wait for it to run some more para isang bagsak na sabay-sabay daw namin papanoorin lahat-lahat. Ganon kasi sila eh. Pero dyan nga ako ninenervyos eh. Kasi sana I did well. Yun. But it's okay. It's okay. Kung ano man sabihin nila, it's okay. Kasi sinunod ko naman yung sinabi nila, right? But they're so supportive and they're so proud of what we've done. And I think na ngayon, ang masasabi ko lang is, yung personal take ko lang dito is, at last, pinag-uusapan yung mga bagay na dati ayaw pag-usapan. And yung para masabi mo talaga na norm na siya na it's okay to not be okay. Yun lang, marami na nahihil ng mga tao. So for me, I'm very thankful to be part of this show.
Thank you so much, Miss Maricel. A beautiful show indeed, all about mental health, mental struggles, which used to be a taboo topic like what you mentioned, Miss Maricel. So thank you so much. Okay, ito, pinaka-last na daw for Joshua. Pinaka-last. Okay, mensahe mo lang, Joshua, for Anne and Carlo who are not able to join us today.
Hello, Anne and Carlo. Nag-message si Anne sa akin kanina. Nag-sorry siya kasi may BLK event siya. But, yeah, sana nandito kayo. And proud din ako. Sobrang proud ako sa inyo. And ako masasabi ko, fan ako ng show namin. Kasi ako, inaabangan ko siya gabi-gabi. Nanood ako gabi-gabi. Alam ni Direk yan. Sinisend ko sa kanya. Tapos parang, natutuwa ako sa show namin. Panoorin niyo po. Sana po panoorin niyo. Kasi maganda ho siya. Panoorin natin siya ng bukas yung utak natin. Diba? Ano tayo, malawak yung pangunawa, malawak na pag-iisip, diba? So yeah, maganda yung show, maganda. So, ayun po.
Thank you so much and congratulations to the cast and creators of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. That concludes our Q&A portion. But before that, okay, one by one po tayo. Message lang sa mga viewers natin. Okay, do you want to start, Mark? Okay, go ahead.
Ayun, sana patuloy natin suportahan ang It's Okay to Not Be Okay gabi-gabi sa Kapamilya Online Live, sa Jeepney TV, sa A to Z, at sa lahat pa na pwedeng pagnooran, especially sa Netflix. Thank you for making us #1 TV show. And yeah, keep supporting. Thank you. Salamat.
Yes, maraming salamat sa mga nanood sa amin at continue to watch us because we have a lot of stories to tell. All our other characters, we have our own highlights in this and different mental disabilities so that we feature, and it's done very well. And yun, madaming exciting mga eksena. So, antabayanan niyo po.
Mga kapamilya, salamat po sa suporta. Patuloy po tayong manood. Ang ganda-ganda po ng palabas namin. Ang ganda ng storya. Lahat po kami, very excited po. At sana hanggang huli, manood po kayo every day, 8:45. Kapamilya Online, Kapamilya Channel, Jeepney TV, A to Z, I1, TV5, yes.
Maraming salamat po ulit sa lahat po na nanonood ng It's Okay to Not Be Okay. And syempre sa mga hindi pa po nanonood, and yung mga nanonood, please invite all your friends and family and join us in this healing journey of It's Okay to Not Be Okay.
Yes, from Gemaline Marie po, maraming salamat sa lahat po na sumusuporta ng It's Okay to Not Be Okay. And yes, spread the show, spread the word. It's okay to not be okay. Thank you po.
Okay, tandaan lang ninyo, if you're not okay, it's also okay. Okay? It's okay to not be okay. Kung ano man ang mapupulot ninyo dito na para sa inyo or para sa iba, gawin ninyo yun na gift. At sana maging mas mabuti yung relationship natin sa bawat isa dahil may respeto tayo sa mga taong maraming pinagdadaanan. Hindi po tayo lahat masaya. Minsan, meron ding pinagdadaanan, pero it's okay to not be okay.
Yun nga, maraming salamat po sa Sabi ako ng
Tama.
tanong.
Relax na, huwag kang tatakbo.
Yun nga, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood at sumasabay sa palabas namin na It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Ayun nga po, panoorin po natin. Everyday, 8:45, namatay pa yung ilaw. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana na-inspire namin kayo kasi yung bawat character sa amin may represent. At sana may makuha kayong lesson bawat sa amin. And yes, sana araw-araw nyo kami panoorin. Thank you.
Ayan, first po, thank you po sa mga press friends po natin. Thank you po sa oras niyo po. Alam ko po, traffic. Maraming salamat po. And sa lahat po ng nanonood ng show po namin, thank you po sa lahat po ng mga tinatag niyo po sa amin, appreciation post. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, thank you.
Yes, thank you so much talaga. We really appreciate all the support. Just continue to watch and continue to watch the show. Itong show na to kasi hindi siya basta-basta teleserye. It's something different na talaga may mapupulutan. And what's also nice about this, it's an eye-opener. It's also eye candy because locations are fresh. Not like yung mga ibang teleserye, di ba sa ano yan? Di ba sa ano yan? Eto, saan yan? So yun yung isa pa sa mga come-on ng show. The locations are fresh and we all shot in beautiful cities, Bacolod, Iloilo, and Dumaguete. So thank you so much. And yun, salamat talaga from the bottom of our hearts.
Ay, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng It's Okay to Not Be Okay at sana po sa mga hindi pa nakakanood, we hope that you guys give this a shot. It's a beautiful story, so bring a friend, bring a loved one, bring whoever you want to, and let's spread awareness, guys. Ayun, salamat po.
Ayan, thank you so much po sa lahat ng nanonood at sumusuporta at sa mga nagbabalak manood. Thank you for giving us a chance and opportunity na hindi lang maging entertainment bilang series. Thank you kasi binibigyan nyo kami ng chance to advocate and to spread awareness to everyone. And bigyan din kayo ng aral at saka kahit na natutuwa rin kayo na panoorin kami, natutuwa rin kami na napapasaya at natuturuan namin kayo. So maraming salamat. Sana supportahan nyo po kami sa lahat ng platforms. God bless you.
Mga kapamilya, A to Z, kapatid, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta ninyo sa It's Okay to Not Be Okay. And lagi yung tandaan, it's okay to not be okay.
Gaya ng nasabi nilang lahat, maraming salamat sa tumatangkilik sa amin. Palabas po kami Mondays to Fridays, 8:45 p.m. TV5, A to Z, GP Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, and also other streaming platforms, I Want, and Netflix. So, salamat po. Salamat sa pagtangkilik ninyo, sa mga posts ninyo about our show. Please continue to watch. Marami pa po at mas magiging exciting pa po ang kwento ng It's Okay to Not Be Okay. As they've said, marami pong aral dito. But at the same time, it's something that the whole family can watch together with your friends, loved ones. So, please continue watching us till the very end.
Muli, maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, again, our cast and creators of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Again, 8:45 every night.